Yo guys, welcome back, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to create this corrupted shake effect for your next edit or music video. Starting off, I'm going to go ahead and create our first adjustment layer. Then I'm going to go ahead and add motion tile. Put our output width and height right here. We're going to put it around at 250 to 300. So we're going to go ahead and, put both of these at 250. Close out our settings right here. Then we're going to go ahead and add s_shake. It is a part of a paid plugin from Sapphire Universe. Let me go ahead and find it. It's right here. And just like you're seeing right here with s_shake, I'm actually having like a little white border right here. I just noticed why. Don't make the same mistake as me. Always when you use motion tile to mirror the edges. So I'm going to click mirror edges, and then it gives us a nice mirroring of our edge right here. So we avoid having this white or black border. I'm gonna go over here to our amplitude and put it at 7. Click our time watch to create our first keyframe, then press E, then U to open up our keyframes on our timeline. So I'm gonna head around right here just for a shake, and we're gonna put our amplitude right here at 1, and then we're gonna go around over here and put this at 0 for our third keyframe. It gives us a nice shake, then it just dies out right here. Next, we're going to go over here to Y shake, go to Y rand amp, and we're going to put this up to 324 or 324. Then I'm going to head right here and right click and then press reset. Okay, and it's gonna give us a nice shake right here. And to actually make this so it's more cleaner, so you don't see this effect right here where it's kind of not distorted, but it's reflecting each edge. Make sure to turn on motion blur. It helps just get rid of that, and it gives a nice and much cleaner effect. I'm gonna highlight all of our keyframes and ease it. Close this out right here. We're gonna go over here and add s_jpeg damage. It's gonna help us achieve that corrupted look for our shake effect. So I'll show you guys how to do that real quick. Head to around the beginning right here. You want to stay within these 3 frames. So I'm going to the end of this frame right here and put our quality up to 0.04, and it's gonna heavily damage our clip. So I'm going to go ahead and click our time watch, open up our timeline, head to the end of our clip right here, and put it up to 1. Highlight these keyframes, push this one all the way to the end. Whoops, push it to the end right here. And you can see right here how we're starting to get a nice corrupted look right here. Then we're going to go all the way up right here to our res factor, put up to 3. So yeah, I'm going to save our project. Next, we're going to go ahead and add optics compensation. Drag in optics compensation right here. It's gonna help give us a nice zooming out effect. So I'm gonna go right here to the beginning of our clip, and I'm gonna put our FOV all the way up to 102. Click on our time watch, and you can see right here how it's actually starting to distort our clip. So I'm gonna click reverse lens distort, and you can see right here how it starts actually warping out our clip. Head to the end, click on our FOV, go to 0, highlight our 2 keyframes, ease it, it up to the end, and it starts warping out our effect right here. Once after adding optics, we're going to go ahead and add our final effect. We're going to add exposure, drag in exposure, head to the start of our adjustment layer right here. I'm going to put our exposure all the way up to 5, and it's going to help give us a nice white flash transition in the beginning of our clip. So head towards the middle of our adjustment layer right here and just put it all the way down to 0. Highlight our 2 keyframes, ease it, close out our timeline, close out this effect, save our project, and that is how you create this corrupted shake effect for next music video or edit. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, I would love it if you were to subscribe, like, leave a comment, or go ahead and share that video. It does help me, and it helps my channel reach other people who want to learn new effects. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Keep on staying creative and keep on working hard. Peace out.